Okay, it's finally happening. Game 7, Mamba 4.
Masters for the green jacket.
For the green jacket. Ayan, ang aking partner, si Ugi. We are playing Valley South. So, ayaw pa rin talaga magpagbigay ng walang plus. May plus pa rin daw. 4.
4-4 daw?
4-4.
Sabi ng golf gods.
Hindi, ganito na lang. 3-3 muna, tapos adjust natin sa back.
4-4 adjust. Diba? Laki.
Malaki. Hindi, liitan muna natin, tapos adjust natin na smaller.
Hindi, 5-5 kasi di tayo stroke. Scramble tayo.
Hindi kaya nga, first stroke, kumbaga, meron kayong 4 kumbaga sa 18 holes, 8 by 8 strokes kayo. Oo. Eh which ang mahirap sa scramble. Parehas niya pang home course.
O sige, tawad 4-3. Okay?
Oh, 4-3. Sige, game. 4-3. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano yung mga holes na 4-3. Sige, okay na, Ugs.
Simula muna tayo sa 3. Simula muna.
Ay, convince mo sila. Ikaw, convince mo.
Simula muna tayo sa 3. Hindi, 4-3. Doon muna tayo. 3-3. 4-3 tayo, di ba? Pwede tayo mag-adjust to 3-3 or 4-4. Oo, di ba?
A4 na nagsimula eh.
Hindi, 4-3 nga, gitna. Hindi na nga 4-4 eh. Di ba? Gitna ng dalawa.
Hindi tayo matatalo eh.
Oh, basta 3-3 muna. Oh, 3-4. 4-3 pala. 4-3. Sige, 4-3. Gusto ko rin 3-3 kaso. Mahirap i-convince eh. Okay, let's see. We're playing.
Sila nasusunod sa plus eh.
Pa next season naman na eh. Nakatabi naman na yung pangkain ko sa kanila.
Pag-usin lang naman tayo kakain eh. Discount naman ng PWD.
Yung Class A champion talaga. Ba? Okay, mukhang magsistick tayo sa 3-3. Yan yung mini driver mo, Len? Nice one.
4-4 talaga eh.
Hindi tayo manalo sa argument. 4-3. At least nabawasan dati 4-4. Okay, let's see. Sam and Allen left with 200 yards to the flag. Allen hitting a hybrid. Ganda. Bunker. Parang before. Okay, so since they're asking for plus 4 and plus 3, so that's 7 strokes. So hole number 1 meron silang plus, hole number 2, number 3, number 9, number 13, 16. Those are the holes na meron silang plus. 17 pala. Okay, those are the holes na meron silang plus. We are taking my tee shot. We are left with 155 yards to the flag. Hitting a 9 iron. Okay lang yan. At least patong. Yun yung catchphrase, Ugs. Nice shot. Shout out pala sa aming caddies, Jake.
Jake pala po, boss.
Yan o. Tapos ang aking caddy, si Kuya Kaloy.
Wow! Nag-draw.
Okay lang yan, boss.
Oh, mas malapit.
Sakto, green.
Not bad.
Lakad mo na, Ugs. Not bad, okay. Okay na, Jake. Happy ka doon. Kung matalo man tayo, at least manalo sa yabang, ano. We have the spot for birdie to go. Hindi, pag na-shoot natin to, tapos na-shoot nila, all square. May plus 1 sila dito eh. 1, 2, 3 meron. Medyo malakas. Medyo napitik. Yan, di ba? Pitch mark na yan. Okay. Okay, for par sila. Wag! Wag! Okay. Ha? Plus
1 putt. 1 putt. Go! Go!
Winning putt for Sam and Allen. This is bogey to make par because of the plus. Naku, maganda. Yun, kulang. Okay, good, good. Okay, all square. Still all square. Okay, hole number 2. Playing 438 yards. Currently, we are all square. Ganda na ng drive ni Allen eh. Kumabit. Balik. It's okay, brother. Sa kaliwa. Hindi ko nakita. Kamusta? Nice one. Examine Allen's second shot, taking his drive. Around 200 yards pa siguro sila. Hitting a hybrid ulit. Ganda ng tama. Uy! Patong! Oo, ayun o. Patong nga sa green. Patay tayo dyan. Mali talagang merong plus po. Ganda ng tira ni Allen. Patong na. Sam is... Patong din, nasa gitna rin, right before Olympian. Ay. This is our second shot. We're left with 155 yards to the flag. Parang mas maganda nga yata 8. Ay, nagdraw lang. Both teams are putting for birdie. I am 14. We are 14 paces. Left to right, mas malapit sila Sam and Allen, pero may plus na naman sila dito. No Ogs. Malakas lang. Sa kaliwa. No?
Ang bumabali sa dulo, di ba?
For birdie. Naku, nakuha pa.
Pasok mo!
Panalo sila dito, 1 up sa plus. Hindi, kuha na nila, par tayo parehas eh. May plus sila, so birdie sila. Okay, hole number 3. They are currently 1 up, playing 361 yards. Big. Ganda eh. Ganda. Draw. Fine, Luigi. Okay, second shot of Allen and Sam. Okay, kanan si Allen. May plus na naman sila dito. Bunker ba? Bunker. Okay, landed right.
Pwede ko naman gamitin yan.
Right bunker.
Pwede naman.
Okay, Sam and Allen second shot. Mga 150 pa yan, ano? Naku, maganda. Parang short nga lang. Ha? Saan ipunta? Kanan? Kaliwa ba? Pumatong? Hindi. We are taking my tee shot. We are left with 100 yards to the flag. Uphill.
Kapabangay pa sa pupunta bola kanan.
Kakanan ng konti. So pwedeng straight mo na yung aim mo na sa flag. Patong mo lang. Then nakabig mo eh.
Okay na, patong na. Dikit mo. Kabit mo.
Mga ilan kayo? 50 yards to the flag? 40 yards to the flag. Ako, maganda. Bite, tama na. Baba mo na. Wag, tama na. Okay. We have this putt for birdie. Si Allen and Sam putting for par. Pero may plus sila. Kanan ano, Jake? +1, +2. Maliit lang yan. Isang bola bibigay mo? Kulang isang bola. Bagal, sobra.
Ayan na. Ay, bumali dulo.
Kala ko sobra yun. mo naman i-shoot. Wag. Okay.
Wala.
Mahina na ano, nalaylay. Okay. 1 up. There's still 1 up. Okay, buti na lang. 1 up lang, 1 up. So now we're playing hole number 4, which is a par 3. So we're playing straight up already. According to the rangefinder, it's playing 175 yards to the flag. So I'm not sure if I'm playing an 8 iron or 7 iron. Bunker. Okay. They have that putt for par. Pareha silang nag-drop yata sila eh.
Hindi, safe sila.
Nahanap. Oh, nahanap. Okay, nahanap pala yung bola nila. Naku, ganda. Ay. Huwag mo lang idikit. Okay lang. Okay. Kailangan natin idikit para easy par. Na-push lang. Okay lang. Make a ball.
Ayan na. Papasok na. Tuloy mo. Ituloy mo.
Okay, Sam for par. Huwag mo naman i-shoot. Huwag mo i-shoot. Ay, na-shoot. Okay, good putt. Nice par. Okay, mas make tayo para to half the hole. Good putt, Sam. Good putt. Ganda naman.
Nice.
Take na mo.
Kulang.
Inside. Hitin mo.
Playing 525 yards. Dog leg.
Plus namin next time. Ikaw lang magpapag.
Wow! Talaga. Okay, adjust na talaga sa back. Ganda! Gitnang. Grabe yung iri. Nice shot, Len. Ganda! Okay, beauty. Nice one, Ugi.
Fairway.
Okay, Sam and Allen. They're taking Allen's tee shot. I think he's laying up with a hybrid. Oh, wow. Ang ganda na ng patama mo, Allen eh. Hindi nag-draw. Okay. We have two options. Ugi will lay up before the water is 135 yards. Tapos to go for it is 225. Strong strategy. Ugi will lay up, ako will go for it.
Nice shot, bossing. Ganda yan.
Safe yan. They are taking Allen's tee. Second shot, 125 yards to the flag. Kanan lang. Nice shot. Kanan din. Kanan, magkatabi. Okay, magkatabi sila sa right. Okay, we are taking Ugi's second shot, 100 yards to the flag. Course management. Preferred line naman din talaga tayo. Okay, 100 yards, hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Big.
Ay, siya!
Ayan. Bye.
I think we are in for birdie. Wala pa ba tong give, friends? Papapat nyo pa to? O sige, ganun din. Tatandaan namin yun ay Ugi. Game 7, walang give-give. Sa amin, Allen, for birdie. To half the hole, if ever. Naku. Okay. Sige, walang give-give. Lakas, laki. Nasobrahan sa lakas. Hina eh.
Yan, take na yan, boss. Bubuksan ko pa ito yung pater.
Nakuha. Mas make Ugs. So, clutch talaga eh. Clutch talaga si Allen eh.
Take na ba ito?
Uy!
Di, parang laki ng bigay din talaga eh.
Hindi yan buksan eh.
We will remember that. We will remember that. Okay. That was a good hole. Parang hindi pala natural. But at least we were able to make birdie. So we're currently even par. For our match play, we are currently 1 down. So we are playing hole number 6. 395 yards. Dog leg left. Wow! Yes! Nice shot, Ugi! Okay, fairway. Dako. Draw. Allen and Sam taking Allen's drive. Ganda na ng mga drive ni Allen. Mga 190 pa siguro to the flag. Naku! Sam left with 185 yards to the flag. Need to slightly throw the ball.
Draw!
Kulang lang. Bunker. Ay. Okay. Left with 167 yards. We're taking Ugi's tee shot. Maiwan lang ng konti. Kick right. Okay lang around the green. Naku, nakabig ko yun. Four left. Sam and Allen to go up and down for par. We are taking Ugi's second shot. Pulled mine. Diyan ha. Diyan. Okay. Nabuwala. Nice one.
Yan na, yung pinapangarap ko.
Hindi ba? Yeah. Tama na. Okay na yan. Okay, we have an opening. 22 yards. Yan ang aim kung nasan si Jake. Ganda. Tama na. Kulang. Medyo kumana lang. Okay lang yan. Makeable yan. Naku, hina. Na behind. Sorry, Ugi. Both teams putting for par. No plus dito. So pagalingan na lang sa putting. Hina nga. For par. Hina din. Okay, we have. There's an opening. We have to make this. Okay na yan? We need to make this to get the match all square. Hindi bumali.
All square, baby.
Nice one, Luigi.
Woo! We are playing hole number 7, 486 yards. Dog leg, right. Okay. That was a good hole for us. we were able to go back to all square. Ganda. Ay, na-pull din. 4 left! Nice shot. Go, 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 go. Dito, dito. Here's Sam and Allen with 270 yards to the flag. Taking Allen's tee shot. Sumabit. Okay, we are taking my tee shot. Layo pa. 260 yards to the flag. We are both going for it. Malaki naman ang fairway.
Over mo lang. Over yan. Uy, bumang.
Nag-open lang.
Open lang.
Kaya throw out. Naku, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Naku, ang ganda. Nice shot, Sam. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Okay, 60 yards. We are taking my second shot. They're already... Ay, dikit na nga talaga. Okay, medyo dikit na si Sam. Okay, using a 56 degree wedge. Okay, good out. Nice shot. Okay yan, Ugi. Nice shot. This is Sam's approach. Ganda. In for birdie na sila. Nice. Good putt. Okay. We have this 6-spaced putt. 6 spaces na putt for our birdie to have the hole. It looks like it's left to right. With the grain. Hindi ganun kalaki. Oh, yun. Sa edge ng lumang butas.
Butas na luma.
Oo. Sa kanan nun.
6 spaces. 7.
May kaliwa ah.
Oo, 5 lang.
Malakas lang. Sakto yung linya, malakas lang. Bali. Ay, malakas lang. Good shot, Sam.
Thank you, brother.
Pansinin mo naman ako. One up kayo. Len, one up, brother. Okay, playing hole number 8. No plus dito. 209 yards. Tingnan natin. Behind pa yan. Sumabit ka. Ang ganda rin. Mukhang patong ah. Nice shot. Ay, kabig ko. 4!
Nice shot.
Kumulot ng konti.
Nice one, Luigi.
Stop. 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 Kumiri sa green, sobra.
Okay, both teams outside of the green. Sila Allen are short. Kami naman went over. We are still 30 yards.
25. Palo
30 yards to the flag. Left to right. Maganda yan, Ugi. Maganda yan. Maganda yan, Ugi. Pasok mo na. Pasok mo na. Okay, good par. Nice shot, Ugi. What a clutch. What a clutch guy, this guy. Laki naman. Baba. Okay, we are in for par. Ang ganda ng tira ni Ugi. Ito. I need to hit this close. Oh, maganda rin. Layo mo pa. Okay, malayo pa. Okay. They have that putt to half the hole. To half the hole. To stay one up. Hindi na mga putt ni ano. Clutch na tong kaibigan namin na to eh. Ayaw mamansin eh. Galing naman! Wala na talagang plus to. Nice spot.
Card pala.
Rory? Bryson.
Rory sumasablay.
Ikaw hindi. Grabe, clutch talaga si Allen. Wait, they are still 1 up because of that clutch pot. That's hole 9, they get a pop. 395 yards. 365. Dog leg left. Draw. Okay lang, fairway yan. May plus pa sila. Ang ganda pareho. Pero wow. Okay. Okay lang, fairway yan.
Yeah, okay.
Fairway. 50 yards. For their second shot. Ang ganda. Okay lang. Bunker mo na. Sana lost ball. Imposible. Okay, 150 yards. Magkatabi lang kami. We are taking my drive. Yun, ang ganda ugi. Ganda niyan. Okay, at least patong na. Nice shot. Tama na.
Balik.
Baba. Balik pa. Okay. Ay, baba pa. Ay, gumugulong pa. Yung may slope, pababa.
Anong pangalan yan?
Ayan, bumababa. Ugsi o didikit. Ugs, dikit. Okay.
Draw.
Oh, wala talaga. Kami talaga may plus mamaya. Okay, pare sila nandun sa kanan.
Oh, dikit mo pa oh. Mas dikit yan oh. Mas dikit yan.
Tama na. Okay, we have
Okay.
options. We have options. Okay. At least sa back na makuha natin na ano. Ma-all square sana natin tong 9. Allen and Sam, they are just outside of the green. Kami, we are putting for birdie. We need to make this birdie. Tapos mag up and down sila for us to win the hole. Kasi may plus sila dito. Lagpas mo pa. Layo yan. Okay. 1 down. Malakas din. Sige pa, lagpas mo pa. Okay, teach us. Okay. Sam and Allen for par. Par to make birdie.
Pasok mo na.
Buti na sila. Okay. Muntik pa eh. Kaso,
Siba.
wala na, naubos na yung clutch ni Allen.
Baka maayos eh.
Baka maayos na reverse psychology. Ang ganda ng pot. Oo nga pala, may potting green nga pala to sa bahay. Kaya pala, ang ganda ng potting. Okay. To win the hole. To go all square. Ganyan pa kalaki ah.
Pati mo na.
Malakas lang. Wow. Hole number 10, 318 yards. They are still 1 up. Tapos we are sticking to yung plus 3 na lang sila dito sa back 9. Ganun din, ganda rin. Draw, hindi nag-draw. Alright. Yan ang maganda. Kaliwa ng bunker. Nice shot. Okay. Sam and Allen, 107 yards to the flag. For their second shot. Taking Allen shot. Nakabig. Kaliwa. Okay. There's an opening. Good shot. 55. I'm taking my tee shot. 55 to the flag.
Anong 45?
May kanan pa.
Paluan nyo ng 45.
Ganda yan, Ugi. Maganda yan, Ugi. Tama na. Okay, nice shot, brother. Nice shot, partner.
Thanks.
Nice one.
Okay, sobra.
Okay na. Sam and Allen for birdie. Ang hina ng upat ni ano? Hina ng upat ni Sam. Because of Robert's shot. Mahina. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Malakas lang konti oh.
Kulang pa. Kulang pa.
Okay. This spot to half the hole ulit. Ano ba yan, Luigi? Yun, panalo. Okay. Back to all square. Now we are back to all square. Tapos may tatlong strokes lang sila dito sa backline for their plus. I think sa 13 pa yata ang plus nila. Shout out sa kanilang mga caddy. Yan. Okay. Now we are playing hole number 11, which is a par 5, 486 yards. Very tight fairway, dog leg right. Galit tuloy. Ginit na tuloy.
Gumit na.
Yun. Sa baba na yun. Gitna. Baba na.
Pwede yan, gettable yung 2 yan. So, yung plus 3 nila, Sam and Allen, is hole 13, which is a handicap 4. Tapos hole 16 and 17, handicap 2 and 6. Allen and Sam's third shot. 197. 197. Hindi, stance mo rin sa ano Len eh. Ball below your feet eh. Ganda. Tama na. Tama na. Okay. In between the two bunkers. Parang left off the green. Okay. We are taking my drive. We are left with 190 yards. Slightly against the fan. Might hit a 5 iron. Ganda, Ugi. Pwede na yan. Maganda na yan. Regulation na yan. Okay. Nice shot, brother. Okay.
Akyat mo. Uy, bunker.
Siguro mga 25 yards na lang sila sa amin, Allen. Ang ganda. Okay, they have that for their par. Kami to go up and down for birdie. 35 yards to the flag. Tirang 30 against the wind. Kaliwa lang, kabig. Okay lang, bite. Tama na.
Go! Go!
Okay, we have this spot for birdie to win the hole outright. Medyo mabilis ugs ha. Okay. Ang lakas. Sobrang lakas. Sobrang lakas lang. Nabomba.
Kulang sa lakas.
Okay. Okay, nice spot. Good par. Woo! Okay, okay. At least, all square. What a clutch spot by Sam. So at least, and also by Ugi. So at least we were able to have that hole. It's playing 100. Ano ulit? 180. Might hit either 6 or 7 iron.
Ganda.
Hindi nag-cut.
Draw.
Fade. Patong. Ay, ganda. Wow. Huwag mo naman idikit. Wala, pating birdie. 6. Nice shot, Ugi. Okay na yan.
Uy, kumanan lang.
Fade lang konti. Patong mo lang. Okay.
Safe.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Hindi nag-draw. Patay ka. We are taking Robert's tee shot. 21 yards to the flag. Right to left. Ganda. Malakas lang. Malakas lang. Okay. Sam and Allen to win the hole outright for birdie. Buti na lang sinalo ko ni Ugi. It's his hole. Tumatalon. Okay na yan? Ganda. Wala na talaga dapat plus to eh. Adjust ha, adjust. Okay, they're back to 1 up. Nice spot. Kaya na talaga straight up eh. Nice spot, nice birdie. What a clutch spot by Allen again. Grabe. Hindi talaga kami mananalo dito na may plus. Okay, we'll see. Hole number 13, they're currently 1 up. It's playing 420 yards. Dog leg left. Ganda ng putt ni Allen. Grabe. Ay, bumalik. Ay. Wala, ubi. Ganda. Gitnang gitna. Good shot, Sam. Okay yan. Ang ganda yan, Ugi. Sakto yung draw. Okay lang. Okay, okay. Lusot yun. Okay, okay. Si Jake. Safe.
Basta baga.
Okay, Allen and Sam. Mga around 190 pa to the flag. Bunker mo. Bunker mo. Sige, bunker mo. Akyat mo. Yun, bunker. Very good.
Nice one.
Malakas sa amin magdasal kaso hindi namin makuha yung dasal sa amin.
Di ba? Sana makatayo.
Pero maganda naman yung sa atin. Hindi lang talaga na. Sam and Allen second shot. Around 220 yards to the flag. Nag-fade lang. Bunker mo din. Yun, bunker. Okay, kami we're left with 190 yards. Taking Robert's tee shot. Huwag ka rin mag-bunker. Okay.
Ang ganda. Yun.
Sobra. Sobra.
Nice one.
Okay, at least nasa ano na.
Oh.
Likod, no? This is for Allen and Sam to go up and down for the par. Mga 50 yards to the flag.
Ganda. Minsan dyan. Ganda. Nice shot.
Wow, ganda! Patong!
Maganda. Dapat ganun po.
Ganda naman.
40 plus eh.
Bolo ba talaga yan?
We are 22 yards to the flag. Left to right. Ay, bumuka. Ang bilis. Malakas pa rin. Uy!
Sakto lang yan. Maaga lang bumali.
To win the hole. For par. Okay, buti hindi pa give. Okay. Okay, buti hindi pa gimme range. Okay. Mahina. Sam and Allen to half the hole to stay 1 up for bogey to make par. Okay. 1 down. Nice putt. Okay, 1 up pa rin. Good putt. Puro clutch siya.
Ay, nako.
Another clutch putt by Allen. Grabe. Hey, hole number 14. Playing 430 yards dogleg left. Ganda. What a shot. What a shot. Kanan lang. Balik mo. Huwag ka. Kick right. Tumama lang.
Okay yan. Yun.
Hindi ko nakitang bumaba pero mukhang safe naman.
Fairway.
Ganda yun. Okay. Taking the Allen's tee shot. Behind around 200 yards pa to the flag. They are still left mga 220 yards. Kick right, bunker mo. Bunker mo. Bunker mo. Bunker mo. Ay, 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 ay. Taking my tee shot. We are left with 125 yards to the flag. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. May slight pull lang. Kick right mo. Kick right mo. Bite! Bite! Bite!
Offline lang, boss.
Labas lang.
Yan, no? Kabit. Dikit. Gulong pa.
Boom. Nice one.
Pwede mo. Huwag mo idikit. Huwag mong idikit. Sam and Allen to go up and down for a par. Yeah, up and down for par. We are putting for birdie. Malakas, lagpas mo na. Ilagpas mo, huwag mo i-shoot. Naku, ganda. Ang ganda. Okay, lumayo pa pala. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, lagpas. Buti hindi dumikit. Okay, we have the spot for birdie. Square. Maganda, Ugi. Maganda! Go! Oh, hindi pa binigay. Mahina lang ng konti. Nice spot, Ugi. Okay na yan. Masaya na tayo dyan, Ugs.
Tapos ang boxing.
Boom!
Rock and roll.
Woo! Okay, hole number 15. 385 yards. Dog leg right. That was a natty birdie. All square. Fairway mo lang. Okay. Naku, nang gigil na. Ang ganda. Pasok mo sa puno. Pasok sa puno. Diretso mo pa. Puno mo.
Tama na, okay na.
Yun. Kumat. Kumat nga. Nice one. Okay. Allen and Sam using Sam's tee shot. Naku, kanan mo pa. Bunker mo. Okay, before the bunker. Okay, taking my tee shot. Buti napakat ko. We're still left with 130 yards adjusted. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ay! Nabuhala lang. Okay lang, brother. Okay lang, okay lang.
Ayos na yan. Vitamins.
Nice
Vitamins.
Bingo! Woo! Okay, Sam and Allen to go up and down for a par. 36 yards to the flag. They just landed a little right off the green.
Isang pattern.
We have this birdie putt to straight up win the hole. Ano bibigay mo, Jake?
Double take ano eh.
Diretso na.
Papadiretso ko lang.
Okay. Bumuka eh. Bumuka na, bumuka.
Tumama yung ano.
Ganda mo.
Tingnan niya sa dulo. Hindi bu.
To half the hole, to half the hole. Ito na naman si Clutch. Allen has this putt to half the hole. If not, we go one up. Sabihan mo na rain dance po ulit. Yeah. Nakuha na naman. Okay, finally. Okay, one up. We are up. Meron silang plus dito, hole 16. 404 yards. Double left. Handicap 2. Naku, ang ganda. Hindi pa sumabit sa puno, sayang. Good shot, Len. Nagalit. Okay lang. Ganda rin. Ay, naku, Delix. Stop turning. Ayun, safe. Katabi ng 150 mark. Okay, safe yan.
Safe.
Okay. We are left with 180 yards to the flag. 180. Okay, taking my tee shot.
Ito na.
Hitting a 7 iron.
Relax lang.
Okay lang. Kick right. Okay.
Go.
Balik mo.
Draw.
Bite.
Yun.
Bite.
Up, stop. Yes. Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Oh.
175 yards to the flag. Sakto sa shot shape niya, Allen. Sakto sa shot shape, sabi ko na.
Ganda.
Short. Tama na.
Go.
Ay!
Thank you for saving, pare. Thank
Humingi.
you for doing this, man.
Humingi pa ng plus yan, no? Good shot, Len. Allen and Sam putting for birdie. Birdie to make eagle sila dito for. Kami, we're also putting for birdie. 7 paces, right to left. Lagpas mo. Huwag mo idikit. Huwag mo i-shot! Nice putt. Mas make na naman tayo.
Ilan lang kayo dito? 3,000 lang yung tabi.
Huwag mo na i-shot. Okay. Okay. We have to make this putt just to half the hole. Dahil sa plus. Scramble na may plus. Nakuha! Ay! Halos hindi bumali. Isang bola nga lang. No? Pwede isang bola, no? Come on, Luigi. What are you made of?
Boom!
Okay, grabe. Para kaming si Miley Cyrus. It's the climb. But at least we're still one up. Last 2 holes. They still get a pop here sa hole 17. 524 yards.
Nice putt.
Thank you, brother. Dog leg right. Hey, come on. Ganda ng draw. Ganda. Okay lang.
Kumanan. Po, kanan! Safe.
Ngayon pa nag-fade yung bola ko. Last driver hole. To get to that bunker is 220. To clear it is 140. It's okay. Okay lang, brother.
Hirap.
Ano? Okay, using a 7 iron. Hopefully, Hit it clean dito sa may linya ng bunker.
Nice.
Kumulot.
Okay na eh, boss.
Okay, fairway.
Fairway.
Long shot lang pero fairway.
Okay na.
Alam ko nang kakaliwa eh. Okay, taking my second shot. Buti na lang fairway. We are still left with 110 yards. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Ganda! Beauty! Down! Down! Over lang pero patong yan. Nice shot, Ugi! Woo! Nice one, partner. Okay.
Babait yan. Okay. Babait nga oh.
Mas sa'yo, malamang sa'yo yan. What a clutch shot. What a clutch shot by my partner. We are putting for birdie. Sila Allen also. In regulation. Pero may plus sila. May plus sila dito. Okay, sa amin Allen. 84 yards to the flag. They have a plus here. Tapos we are putting for birdie already. Short. Pero to, sakto na to, they're playing their plus already. So this is to go up and down for, parang for birdie rin sila dito kung sakali. Kasi may plus eh. So parang third shot nila to. Par to make birdie. Kami, because of Robert's third shot, we are putting for birdie. Buti lang namin egg tong butas na to. Yun. Yun na, nagchuchok na. Ay naku, yun na.
Ba't nagsunod-sunod?
Bumigay na. This is the Allen and Sam's 5th shot to go up and down for a bogey. Huwag lang ma-shoot. Okay, sila pa. Bump and run. Maganda.
Go!
Okay. That is for bogey. Pag na-shoot natin, tapos na. Tapos na yung match. 6 spaces.
Tandaan na to, kaliwa nito.
Mabilis ba yan?
Ilan? Hakbangin ko muna.
Sa 6. Ganun kalaki yan, Jake? Kasi side hill, ano? Tapos left to right. Isang grip sa kanan. Kaliwa? Make it. Malakas lang ulit.
Go!
Nice game.
Oh! Nanalo rin!
Ay, sayang. Ganda na.
Grabe habol na yun. Nice one, partner. Nice one, Kyrie.
Nice look.
Finally. Nakapanalo din. What a climb. What a match. What a match. Good match, Len. Brother, good match, partner. 7-7.
Nag-choke kami ni Sam.
Sammy. Good match, brother. Good match. Woo! Nanalo rin. Grabe. What a match. Grabe yung mga clutch shots namin ni Bogey. Okay, we won 2-1. Okay, we're still playing the last hole. Baka may makahole in one. Baka naman, mga libre kain. Hole number 18. 190 yards with the wind. Hitting a 6 iron. Hole in one mo na, para ano? Para against you sa harap. Yan na, in-all in one nga. Para against nga sa taas. Yan, shout out sa aming caddy, Kuya Kaloy. Ganda ng mga basa ni Kuya Kaloy. Tsaka syempre si Jake. Shout out kay Jake. Yan, kunin niyo. Happy birthday, yun pala. Araw-araw birthday. Okay. Okay. Si Jake is number... Ano yung number mo? 0238. Yan, galing magbasa talaga yan. Si Kuya Kaloy. 103. Okay. Ayos. Thank you, Kuya Kaloy. Ano?
Yun o, nag-draw na o. Draw mo pa konti. Ay, guys. Sakto, patong.
We finally conquered the +7. Grabe.
Because of Luigi.
Because
he's a very good player.
He's a very good friend. Thank you. Good match, Alan Sam. Yeah, finally. All right. We are just finishing the hole kami ni partner. Saan ang aim nyo? Sa bola? Tirang 8. Ganda. I-birdie mo na. Birdie mo na. Ganda. Nice spot, brother. Partner. Okay. We're in for par.
Ayun na, binerde oh. Ayun na, binerde oh.
Ay, sayang. Thank you. Finally, good round. So if you like mga ganyang matches, please like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you very much and nice shot. Thank you, Sam.
Soluble liquid yun.
Kumbaga, hanggang tunaw na tunaw siya.
Jake, salamat. Are. Ito, magagaling din magbasa. Pero mas magaling lang si Jake at saka si Kaloy. Anong number? Anong pangalan mo?
Tutoy.
Tutoy. Si Tutoy. Anong number?
454.
454. Tsaka si Mau. Magaling din magbasa si Mauro. Anong number mo, Mauro? 235. Ayan, okay. Salamat. Nice shot.